To Allah belongs the universe, so beautiful. The planets, stars go floating past, obeying His will. To Allah belongs the earth and sky, so wonderful. Oh, the oceans wide, the mountains high, the animals. Looking at the sky, so many million miles over space and time, there is only one God. From a treetop, watch the sun start through a dewdrop. There is only one God. There is only one God. Praise be to Him. My life is His. Glory be to Him. La ilaha illallah. To Allah belong the jinn, the angels, and all men. From purify a pure life and colored sins. To Allah belong the messengers sent to guide.